Mike with Enviroscape LA. Really excited. This was just dirt yesterday. In fact, this whole entire backyard was just dirt. We took out the grass, we put in tilapia on the side here, and we actually installed this Zen fountain. Some people would call it a yoga fountain, but whatever you call it, it's just really darn beautiful. We've got a special frothy nozzle in here to actually make this little geyser effect right here. See how it's just kind of random? You want that because in nature, that's what you see. You see randomness. Also, it has an autofill, so it'll never run out of water. It's got the pump, and it's just a work of art. And so the person we installed it for says it's perfect for doing yoga, for meditating. It's a really cool thing. Just wanted to share this with the world because it is in the backyard. This is Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability and gorgeous water features, think Enviroscape LA.